Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by preparing both devices and starting the sleep setup in the Health app. Once you open Health, choose Sleep and tap Get Started. The app walks you through wind down and wake times. Make sure your watch is paired and charged above 50% and wear it comfortably. Too loose reduces accuracy. You'll choose a primary schedule now. This sets your target sleep and enables sleep mode on both devices, which dims screens and silences notifications to limit interruptions. You'll now configure the nuanced options that determine tracking quality. Tap Full Schedule and Options to set your nightly goal and wind down length, and enable Track Sleep with Apple Watch so the watch records motion and heart rate data. Make sure Sleep Mode and Sleep Focus are active to limit distractions automatically. Also allow the Health app to collect necessary data, motion, heart rate, and phone usage, and confirm wrist detection is on. These together improve detection of sleep stage. You'll complete setup by testing it tonight and reviewing results tomorrow. After a full night's sleep, open Health right arrow sleep to see summary metrics and trends. The watch shows a brief overnight card as well. If data is missing, check basics first: battery level, snug fit, wrist detection, and permissions in Health. If problems persist, restart both devices, update software, and toggle sleep tracking permissions off and on. This usually resolves syncing or sensor issues, so tracking resumes correctly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.